Assalamu alaikum my dear children. I'm here with the objective part. Okay, and in the previous video we have completed our explanation. Now let's start our objective. The first one is circle the correct answer. The first one, bread and potatoes are dash food, bodybuilding food, energy giving or protective. Of course the answer is energy giving food. Look at the picture here. Bread and potatoes, what are they? They are the energy giving food. Okay, second one, we get food from dash plants, animals, or both plants and animals. Of course we get both from the plants and animals. Third one is farmers grow food in the dash, where they grow in the fields, not dairy, not shop. Okay, we should take dash so that we do not waste food. So we should take what? We should take only as much food as we can finish, so that we don't waste the food. Okay, we should wash our hands dash a meal, before, after, both, before and after meal. Of course before also you have to wash your hands, and after eating also you have to wash your hands. Next one, write yes or no. First one is, we grow all the food we eat at home. Can we grow all the food we eat at home? No, we can't grow. So our answer is no. Second one, we should drink plenty of water every day. Yes, if you drink plenty of water every day, then you will be very fit and fine, and also your body will be get hydrated. Okay. Third one, we should eat burgers and chips every day. No, it is a junk food. You should not eat junk food every day. Why? Because it will lead you to the diseases. So answer is no. Fourth one, we should follow good eating habits. Yes, we should follow the good eating habits. Okay, what are the good eating habits we have learned in the previous lesson? Wash your hands before and after every meal. Do not spill food or water, and do not waste the food, and chew as much as you can. Eat the right meal at the right time. Do not talk while eating, and enjoy your meal. Do not watch television or talk when you are having your dinner, breakfast or lunch. Okay, and share your food with everyone. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and brush your teeth twice a day. So these are the good habits you need to follow. Fifth one is, farmers work hard to grow food. Yes, they work very hard to grow food. So don't waste food. Just think that how much many people are involved in getting the food to us. Okay, and how much the hard work they do. So just go think about it before wasting. C bit is fill in the blanks with the words given in the help box. The first one is, vegetables and fruits protect our body from. You have the answers are here: good habits, diseases, balanced, waste, or animals. Answer is diseases. If you eat proper vegetables and proper food, then you will be protected from the diseases. We must have a dash meal. Which meal? We must have a balanced meal. Third one, dash gives us milk, cheese, and eggs. Our answer is animals, not the plants. Plants can't give us milk, they can't give us cheese or eggs, isn't it? Fourth one is, we should follow dash at the table while eating. What we should follow? We should follow the good habits while eating. And fifth one is, we should not dash food. We should not waste the food. Okay. D bit is a question answers. You will get it. E bit is, circle the food that comes from plants in green and food that comes from animals in red. So these are the food items given below. You have to take the color pencil green and red, and you have to circle the food that comes from the plant in green in color. Plants usually will be in green color now, and you have to circle the food that comes from the animals with the red color. Okay, so first one is milk. It comes from where? It comes from animals, so you have to draw red color. Take the red color pencil and circle it here. Second one is meat. It also comes from animals, so you have to draw the red color. It also comes from animals, so you have to draw red color circle here. Then third one is eggs. It also comes from animals, of course, so draw with the red color. Fourth one is rotis. Of course comes from the plants, so you have to color with the red. Last one is tea also, it is a plant product, so you have to circle it with the green color. Okay, now next is the activity given here: grow a food and eat it too. So you have to sow a seed, and you have to grow it, and you have to eat from it. So what is that? First one is, soak a cup of green lentils or moong overnight. So take the green lentils or moong dal, okay, overnight and soak them. Soak them means keep in a bowl of water and soak them whole night, overnight. Next, drain the water the next morning. Place the lentils on a wet towel and keep it covered for a day or two. Next part is you have to drain the water means throw the water. Then in the next morning only, whole night you have to soak, and in the next morning you have to drain away the water. And what you have to do is you have to take that lentils, soaked lentils on a wet towel and keep it covered for 2 days. Again you have to take the lentils and put it on a towel and then cover it for 2 days. You will see the sprouts appearing out of the lentils. The moong sprouts are ready. So you can see the sprouts appearing out of the lentils. You eat sprouts now, children. It is available in the market. So how the sprouts will be? It will be like this. Okay. So these are called as the sprouts. Okay. And the moong sprouts will be ready. With the help of an adult, add chopped onions, cucumber and tomato to the sprouts. Then with the help of your adults, take the help of your father, mother or anyone, and what you have to do is you have to cut the onions, cucumber and tomatoes to the and add to the sprouts. Okay, put salt, pepper and lemon juice according to your taste and your healthy salad is ready. It is yummy tool. So after adding those vegetables, what you have to do, you need to add some salt with the help of an elder, and pepper is your kali mirch and lemon juice. Okay, and it will enhance the taste. Then you after that you eat it, you will enjoy that food a lot. It will be very tasty. So this is how you can prepare the food at home and you can have it. Okay, I hope that you will do this activity, and our third lesson is completely completed, alhamdulillah. I mean our third lesson is completely done, and I hope that it was clear to you all. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, Allah Hafiz.